My dear students, I shall teach you class 3 science, birds, food and more. Let us answer. In the previous class I had read the chapter. And today I shall discuss with you the questions and the answers. The first one, take the correct answer. 1. These birds of prey have strong, sharp and hooked beaks. The options: A. Eagles, vultures and sparrows. B. Vultures, kites and pigeons. C. Eagles, vultures and kites. The correct option is C. Eagles, vultures and kites. Number 2. Feet with 2 toes upwards and 2 toes downwards help birds to: A. Hold on to a branch. B. Dig the ground. C. Climb trees. The correct option is climb trees. Number 3. A bird's body is covered with: A. Down feathers. B. Up feathers. C. Flight feathers. The correct option is A. Down feathers. Number 4. This bird uses its beak like a needle to sew leaves with materials like thread and wool. Options: A. The weaver bird. B. The tailor bird. C. The woodpecker. The correct option is B. The tailor bird. C. Name the bird that: Number 1. Weaves grass in and out to make its nest. Weaver bird. 2. Collects a few sticks to make a cup-shaped nest. Eagle. 3. Its front toes are joined by a skin. Duck. 4. Collects pebbles and stones to make a nest. Penguin. Number 5. Makes its nest in the hollow of a tree. Woodpecker. D. Answer these questions. Number 1. What kind of beaks do most crane-eating birds have? Answer. Most crane-eating birds have short, hard and horny beaks to crush grains and seeds. Number 2. What are the uses of the curved beak of a parakeet? Answer. The curved beak of a parakeet helps it to crack nuts and hard fruits. This curved beak also helps it to climb trees. Number 3. How is a duck's beak different from that of a sparrow? You have got two columns here: duck's beak and sparrow's beak. In duck's beak you have number 1, it is broad and flat. In sparrow's beak you have got number 1, it is short, hard and horny. In duck's beaks number 2 you have got, it has tiny holes on the sides which allows mud and water to flow out. In sparrow's beak number 2 it is used to crush grains and seeds. Number 4. How do the feet of perching birds help them? Answer. The feet of perching birds help birds to hold on to a branch. Number 5. How do the legs of wading birds help them? Answer. The legs of wading birds help to wade through muddy water without getting wet. Number 6. Why do birds make nests? Birds make nests to lay eggs and to keep the baby birds safe from enemies and bad weather. Number 7. How do birds look after their babies? Answer. When the babies are weak and featherless, their eyes are closed, the parents feed them and keep them warm. They protect them from enemies and bad weather. Next you have few inside questions from the chapter. Number 1. What kind of a beak does a woodpecker have? Answer. A woodpecker has a strong and chisel-shaped beak. Number 2. What helps a hoopoe to pull out insects from holes in the ground? Answer. A long and slender beak of a hoopoe helps it to pull out insects from holes in the ground. Number 3. Why is the body of a bird shaped like a boat? Answer. The body of a bird is shaped like a boat, which helps it to cut through air. 4. What kind of materials are used by birds to build a nest? Answer. Birds use materials like twigs, dry leaves, cotton, thread, wool, feather, hair, pieces of cloth, paper and pebbles to build their nest. And number 5. What are talons? Some flesh-eating birds like hawks and eagles have strong and sharp claws called talons. That's all for today. Thank you very much.